In this video, you can learn how to make the best cotton candy ice cream for beginners.
So if you're new to our channel or you're new to the kitchen, this recipe is for you.
Let's get to it. Hey everyone, I'm Arav.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins,
the channel that offers you simplified recipes along your baking journey.
Also, this is day 1 of our 30-day postage challenge.
We're going to be attempting to post a video every single day for the next 29 days.
So tune in at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time right here on our channel where a brand new video will be released to you.
Alright, we're going to start off by adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream into our bowl. Okay, so now we're going to whisk this. You can do it by hand with a whisk, but I think a stand mixer is going to be easier. Also, if you have a hand mixer, you can do that as well. So I'm going to mix this until the whipping cream becomes a little bit more stiff and there's going to be like thick peaks in it. Okay, I think that's good. We're going to add 5 ounces or 150 grams of sweetened condensed milk. So we broke the opener for this can, but I think we'll just use this can opener to open it. Okay, so this is 300 grams or 10 ounces. We want half that, so half the bottle. And just add it into this mixture. Alright, let's mix that again on medium speed. Okay, perfect. So now we're gonna transfer this into 2 bowls.
Alright, we have these 2 bowls and we're gonna divide our mixture evenly into both of them. Okay, so we have some cotton candy extract here. If you don't have this, we can leave a link down below where you can get some. So we're just gonna add about a 1/4 teaspoon of this cotton candy extract into each of our bowls.
Okay. Alright. Okay, so let's give that a mix.
Oh, we can just smell the cotton candy there.
Okay, so then we're gonna color 1 pink and 1 blue.
And we're gonna add 3 drops each bowl.
Mix. And we're just gonna transfer our mixtures into the bowl. We're gonna like add it evenly, 1 spoon of this, 1 spoon of this, and so on. Alright, let's put this in the freezer for 6 hours or overnight. So it's been about 7 hours and we are going to take our ice cream out of the freezer.
Okay. It's really cold.
Wow. Let's scoop this into our bowl.
Before we get into the reveal of our cotton candy ice cream, if you enjoyed this video or learned something new, this is a perfect time to go ahead and hit that like button for us.
We have put a lot of effort into these videos, and if you could do that for us, we'd really appreciate it. And we also happen to be in our 30-day posting challenge.
Since we are challenging ourselves to post 30 days straight, liking these videos would really encourage us to keep up with our goal, and as well as helping these videos, spread to more people. So thanks. Alright, I'm gonna taste the cotton candy ice cream to see if it tastes like cotton candy. Wow, that cotton candy ice cream is actually really good. I like how, there's only 3 necessary ingredients to make it, and the flavor for it's not too strong, not too light. And overall, it's just a really good ice cream. Alright, that's it for us this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Tune in tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the next video in this challenge. But that's it for us today, so make sure to hit the like button because we have put a lot of effort into these videos.
Also, if you liked this video, you'll definitely like the videos to come, as we're going to be making a few more cotton candy desserts within our 30-day posting challenge.
But as I said before, that's it for us today. So
click over here for our last video,
click down there for our 30-day posting challenge series,
and click here to subscribe.
and we'll see you in our next video.
Have a nice day.
Bye.